What powers Flare's FAssets? Flare turns XRP into a DeFi-ready asset through FAssets, unlocking new ways to earn and interact. FAssets bring non-smart contract assets like XRP into DeFi, securely, scalably, and with full custody retained. But what powers FAssets? When XRP is brought onto Flare, or minted as FXRP, it's backed by more value than the original deposit that it represents. This is known as overcollateralization. It protects the system and ensures FXRP is always secure. FAssets are powered by Flare's native oracles, which inherit the network's security. First, the Flare Time Series Oracle, or FTSO, provides decentralized price data. Then, the Flare Data Connector, or FDC, verifies events such as deposits on the XRP ledger. Together, these protocols remove the need for third-party oracles, making FAssets more reliable. Once you have FXRP, you can put it to work across DeFi apps on Flare. This is called composability, using one asset in multiple ways. FXRP can earn yield, be used in lending and borrowing markets, combine with staking to create STXRP for even more earning opportunities. To recap, FXRP, powered by over-collateralized economic security, trustless cross-chain verification through Flare's oracles, and composability, transforms XRP into powerful capital for DeFi.